everybody. Thank you. First things first for following us. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for sharing the video. Yes, I know, I noticed that you noticed. I can see it. You're looking something different from this guy. I shaved my head. Why I shaved my head? It was a mistake. Guys, let's give it a big thank you. He's right over there. To our producer and director. Why? Because every time that we do a video, I get less space and more less and less. You must think I'm on a diet and I'm gonna lose weight because I got no way to move around anywhere no more. Now, what we're gonna do, man? So, today we are going to talk about the letter C. C like champagne per brindare un incontro. Why we talking about letter C? Because we spoke about before the benefits from tomatoes, and one of those is the vitamin C or vitamin C or vitamina C. Got an accent, I can't do it no more. But what is vitamin C? Vitamin C is an ascorbic acid, and when you hit a medium-sized tomato, it can give you the 28% of the daily uptake of your vitamin C. Also, vitamin C is function as an antioxidant in our body. But be careful about this part. Our body does not store vitamin C. So you can eat excessive amount of tomatoes and other fruit and vegetable, believing that you're gonna have a lot of vitamin C for another 2-3 days. Ain't not happen. It won't store it. It dissolves. So you gotta take the right amount every day, so on daily basis, to get the benefits of this vitamin, which are very, very important, and we're gonna discuss that now. So what are the benefits of vitamin C? There are many. But I'll tell you what I believe they are the most important for all of us to know. So to start off with, it may reduce the risks of diseases and also helps to block our body from free radicals. Free radicals, don't get me wrong. It's not that when you think, oh, I might start going around like that, the smiling devil, crazy like that. No. Free radicals is a process where this can happen when the body is transforming our food into energy and making cause, in some cases, illness or aging, and definitely we don't want that. And vitamin C, with this antioxidant, it helps to defeat this problem. One next thing the vitamin C has is good to do to your body. Like guys, like many of you believe, I have vitamin C and my immune system is perfect. Bang, oh my God, man, I can go against Thanos, man.
I don't even know who you are.
Yes, vitamin C is very good for your immune system to boost it up, but it won't make it invincible. But what is it helping you, vitamin C, in your immune system? By creating white blood cells, producing white blood cells. White blood cells are important because, yes, they protect you against infection. They make your skin defense system stronger, which is very important because your skin, it protects you from all the external stuff. If I cut myself, again, vitamin C with an antioxidant in the production of white blood cells, it helps to healing the cuts. And also, it's very important for the production and the maintenance of bones and teeth. So very good for all your body structure and defense system. So what is important for all of us is to eat daily eating tomatoes that contain vitamin C, so you can daily uptake this vitamin, and so you have the benefits of it. Anyway, we are at the end. We finished. Thank you for following us. Thank you for the 10 likes. Thank you for sharing our video. I love you all. I'll see you next time. Ciao.